and welcome to Starzia Travel. So today I am at Paultons Park. It's their Christmas event today. I think their first day of it was actually yesterday, the Friday. We're here on Saturday the 18th of December. I am with my boyfriend today. I don't know how much he's going to want to get footage or how much I'm going to end up filming because it's the first time he's done a theme park with me. But yes, should be a good one. Looking forward to taking him on all the posters and seeing his reactions. Of course it's not going to go around while we're going past it, is it? Oh, apparently it is. Yay.
Nobody in that one.
Huh?
The ride's going, there's nobody in it.
With it going through the trees like this, it really adds perspective to how much land they own that they're just not using. Paultons, build another coaster! But yeah, we're going through Peppa Pig World now. Peppa Pig World exit!
Yeah, we have inconvenienced all of you.
Time for the first roller coaster! Looking nice and festive with all the decorations up. Maybe there's cocaine in it. But maybe that's why they're called snowmen. Yeah. Not a family channel. The airtime on it is so intense. So, Cyclinator.
Yeah, throws you quite high, doesn't it? Once it actually builds up speed, it's like you're thinking, I am not safe here, even though you know there is no way it's going to come loose, but yeah.
Are you looking forward to your first roller coaster in like 10 years or something?
Yeah, I went on a family holiday in the summer of 2011, Florida, did most of those ones. This is the first time I've been back to a theme park, so we're about to go on the spinny chairs.
Spinny chairs!
Yeah. Technical name.
Yeah, the technical name. Storm Chaser it is! Just because it's shots to easily chuck in while we're talking about it.
Seems to be spinning as much.
It depends on loads of things, weight distribution and everything. There's just that one guy over there like, I ain't moving. Fuck swimming.
What are the ones doing that are keep it on their sides?
When you come on this way, look. You see them?
So watch out.
Oh, yeah, there he is.
Right, come down here, look, there's a window.
So we've had a good day at Paultons Park. I know I've not showed much footage. It's mostly because we've just been focusing on going around, having a good time. We've done like a lot of looking at the animals, which I know most people who watch this channel, some of you are interested in zoos, but most of you are here for the roller coasters. I know. But yeah, really good day. Didn't have to wait for literally anything. It was pretty much walk on almost everything, maybe like 2 minutes here and there. And obviously it's Callum's first time at a theme park in years, so I'm gonna hand it over to him. How was your day?
Yeah, I really enjoyed it. It's nice there was a mix of things, so they didn't put all the zoo stuff in one area, so you got a chance to encourage you to keep exploring, if that was what you're there for. So one of your friends recommended one of these to put on the back of the glasses.
Shout out Jenny, I know you're watching.
So yeah, that actually, once I got used to how tight I needed it to be, that meant I wasn't worried about them flying off, and I could enjoy the coasters more, and actually getting the right level of, when you pull the roll bar down, get the right grip, so then you feel, you know, you can just sort of sit back and enjoy the. So actually the favourite ride probably was I really like the pterosaur, because I thought that from a design point of view actually felt like you were flying around the enclosure. But the spinning chairs at the end, was it Cyclone?
It's Storm Chaser.
Storm Chaser. Yeah, there's a lot of unpredictability to that, because it depended who you were sat in a thing with to make it spin around the corners. So yeah, enjoyed it a lot. I'm looking forward to whatever you take me to next. Had a hop around the gift shop. Enjoyed some famous waffles, so we're all going to be in a diabetic coma before we get back.
He's going to be hyper singing along to the music as I'm driving. It's all good.
You got your punk rock CD, yeah?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Anyway, thank you for watching Starzia Travels. Like, subscribe, share, do all that malarkey. Adios. Be safe. Wear a mask.